Alright guys, I'm back today with another video. Before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and also turn those notifications on so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. This unit I will be showing you guys today comes from the company RiriHair. Just showing you guys some of the items that came in the package, which is an edge brush, a wig cap, and also a little scarf that you could put over your curls. Now this unit I'm showing you guys today is their curly bob wig. This one is in the length 14 inches. It's a natural color, 150% in density. You get your 4.5 inches of parting space. It is a medium cap size, a light brown lace color. You also get a pre-plucked hairline, and they do bleach the knots for you guys. And they also include an adjustable and removable elastic band. You get your soft lace, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap also. So I did go ahead and wash the unit off of camera. I did use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. Just want to show you guys what the curl pattern looks like after it has been washed. Now some people do prefer to wear it straight out of the package. You can definitely do so, especially if you like the uniform curl look. And you can also kind of mist it and put a little leave-in conditioner on it while it is on your head if you are not into washing it right away. I prefer to wash my tighter curls just because I want them to not look so uniform, and I also like to see the curl pattern after I am done washing it. But as you guys can see, the curl pattern still looks very nice. Sometimes when you wash your tightly curled units, it looks totally different, but to me this wasn't too far off. So the product that I will be using today is the Garnier Whole Blends, the coconut cream. And this one smells so good. I like to use this in the curly hair, especially if I'm out of my Lotta Body curl mousse. So I will be using this one. Of course, all the products that I will be using today will be listed down below in the description area, along with the mannequin head and the stand if you guys are interested in that. So as you guys can see, my mannequin did pop back. I did not tighten up my stand because I just purchased like 3 new ones and I did not tighten them up like they should be. So if you tighten them up, they will not move around. But just making sure to run that through the hair really good, and then I'm going to straighten up the part just a little bit because it was a little off after I washed the hair. I'm keeping it as a side part that it came in. I was unsure if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part, but I decided to just leave it alone. Now I'm just taking my Denman brush and I am going to just run this through the hair, and you guys see how easily it's running through the hair. I'm not getting any snags or any tangles. It's just flowing through really good without any issues, which I love, because sometimes with my tightly curled unit, depending on the texture of the hair, sometimes when I am still brushing it out after it is wet, I will get a lot of tangling and some shedding. I did not receive a lot of shedding with this unit after I styled it, just a very minimal amount while I was brushing the hair. Brushing through the hair, if I see that there's still a large amount of water, I will take my hands and kind of scrunch it up a little bit just to squeeze out that excess amount. Now I'm just going to take my Lotta Body foam wrap and I'm just going to work on molding the front of the hairline. Because the hairline is already pre-plucked, I will not be going in and doing anything extra to it. I'm just wanting to set it. I like to use this Lotta Body foam wrap just because it doesn't give you a harsh hold. It looks very soft and it also looks very natural still without it being too much shine. So after I'm done with that, I will just let my unit sit under a fan. I'm going to turn my ceiling fan on, and I have another fan in the room, and then I'm just going to let it dry, and I will leave it alone until it is time to style it on my head. So this is what the unit is looking like on the mannequin head after it has dried down. That is what the hairline looks like, nice and pre-plucked. And then this is what the curls look like in the back. They definitely need to be pulled apart. But I'm going to go ahead and place this on my head, kind of line it up where the ear tabs need to be, and then clip the hair back and work on cutting the lace. Now this is a medium cap size, like I stated. I prefer a medium cap size with this company because you guys know some of these companies I have worked with more than one time and I'm learning the cap sizes. But with this company, I prefer a medium just because the way that the elastic band in the cap construction, a medium is just a better fit. I feel like a small would just be too small. Now this step you definitely don't have to do. You can wear this just as is and put a little bit of powder in the front. I'm just going to set this down a little bit because I don't want the lace to roll up. So I will be using my Got to Be Free spray and kind of rubbing it in the front area, and then I will be taking the end of my rat tail comb and just kind of pressing around that lace. Like I said, I don't want it to roll up. I want it to stay. And I'm just going to press that in until it dries down a little bit. I will not be using a blow dryer just because I only sprayed a very small amount. And with this free spray, it is going to dry up quick. You guys already know I prefer to use the free spray method just because it's less messy and it's easier for me to clean up. After that has dried down, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color Light Medium. I'm going to go around the hairline area just to kind of make it blend a little bit more. And then I'm going to put a little bit up into that parting space. And as you guys can see, that looks very good. So I am happy that this company kind of does all of the hard work for you. All you have to worry about is kind of styling it to your liking and washing the unit if that is what you prefer to do. But just going and adding a little bit of powder and just setting it to where you need it to be is really good. So now I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum and I'm going to begin to fluff out some of this hair because of course I don't want the curls to be too uniform, and I already knew I wanted kind of like the big fluffy look. So that is what one side of the hair looks like, and then that is what the other side looks like if you decide to not fluff it out. And like I stated, I do have the 14-inch. On the website, they do have 12 inches. Now, the 14-inch, it did shrink up, so it's probably hitting me about 12 inches. And then the 12 inches may hit about 10 inches once it is dry. So you just have to be careful about where exactly you want your bob to hit your neck. So guys, this is the end result of this unit. It took me no time to style this wig. You can wear it in the middle, you can wear it on the left side if that's something that you choose to do. You could do a flip over method. The parting space looks very good. They do a good job with bleaching the knots. The hairline looks good. This hair is very thick and full, just want you guys to know. So you get a true 150% in density with this unit. That is the only density that they offer in this wig, and they only offer this in the 4.5 inches of parting space. Also, of course, they have other units on the page if you guys want more options. The cut on this is nice. The curls are very nice and fluffy, and I love the color of this unit. One thing I noticed about RiriHair's units are they are not too dark in my opinion. They do have a hint of the natural brown color, which I love. This unit is thick and fluffy. This would be great for somebody who loves a nice thick curly bob. However, because it is a curly bob, you are going to run into some frizziness, and you are going to have to maintain it throughout the week to make it stay new and look nice and refreshed. So guys, if you are feeling this curly bob, let me know down below in the comments section. Of course, if you are interested in this one, I will make sure to leave the deets down below along with the coupon code. Guys, don't forget to share and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.